Good morning, guys. Today I am vlogging. I wasn't going to vlog, but I just got a call from my parents saying that they wanted to meet up and do something cool with Jacob. So I thought I'd bring the camera along and show you what we do. It should be cool. Jacob should enjoy it. And yeah, let me show you what Jacob looks like today. He looks so cute. Jacob, where are we going today? Where are we going? How cute is this outfit, guys? It's a little overall set and my mum bought it for him, but he also looks like the Chucky doll. Very similar outfit, isn't it? You just need to grow a bit of hair. For Halloween? Yeah. Yeah. So when I was pregnant, I grew out of all of my jeans, obviously, and was wearing maternity jeans. And then I was so excited, like a month after I had Jacob, that I fit back into all my jeans. Well, the couple months after that, it seemed like we were eating very unhealthy, we were eating out a lot, and then gained quite a lot of weight, and I didn't fit into my jeans. Well, because we've been on this diet for about 3 weeks now, I officially fit back into my jeans. I'm excited. I'm excited to update you all on how we're going in our progress. We were going to do weekly videos, but I thought that was a bit too much, so we decided that we're going to do monthly updates. So I'm excited. Next week is our first month, and I'm excited to show you all our progress. We're so amazed by how quickly we've improved, so I'm excited to show you all that. Jacob will also be wearing this jacket, which his Mimi, well my mum, knitted for him. Handmade with love, huh? It's beautiful. And she just finished it and gave it to us, so he's been wearing it pretty much every day we go out. Ah, you're lucky to have a Mimi that does that for you. So there was a quick change of plans. We're gonna first go to my mum's house and feed Jacob there, and then we're gonna meet them at the place. You say hi? And Uncle Ben should be home. Let's ring the doorbell again. Hopefully he's here, huh? Hi, baby! You're stuck in jail. It looks like you're in a cage. Huh? Just while I went to the bathroom, I put him in here, which is what he sleeps in for naps and things when he's away. He's trying to get out. Hi! Hi! What are you doing in there? Is Mama gonna get you out so I can feed you? Yeah, hopefully. So hopefully, we realized that Uncle Ben is taking the dog for a walk. So we're gonna sit here, have some milk, and wait for him to come home. Is that right? Whoa! He's such a good sport about falling over. It's a comfy landing, isn't it? Isn't it? Baby, hey, look at the birdies. See the birdies? So we just made it to where we're going to, and they've got little bird cages here. Huh, Jacob? Jacob, say hi. The birds might say hello to you. It's beautiful here, and there's birds in there. You talking to the birdies? You want the camera. Oh, look at the birdies there. Look at the birdies.
You know who he looks like in that photo you sent in yesterday?
Which one?
Mum. He's smiling at Grandma. Yes, it's Grandma. Don't take your eye out of that, won't you? Oh my.
good as that.
No, this was saying, can we get a... I'll go and get a ball. Yeah.
Chippy sipping hard for you. Chippy sipping hard. No. Chippy sipping hard. What do you reckon? Oh, that was a big sack.
You don't said a lot.
It's exhausting being a baby, isn't it?
What's the noise of the
Yes.
that it makes?
Do you want to read one?
Oh, I missed
I
it.
don't think she really.
We're ready to order.
Very ticklish.
Coming over now. Oh.
These are the birds that scared my son.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
Alright, I should probably explain everything about today. I didn't get to speak to the camera very much. So today my parents called me and said, oh, come over and we'll go to this cafe that has like a bird cage kind of thing Jacob could have a look at and explore the gardens there. So yeah, it was a nice lunch there, and then my dad took Jacob into the bird. It was like an area where you go and look at all the birds, and unfortunately one of the birds squawked really loudly when Jacob was right near him, and he got so scared. My brother actually caught it on camera, so that's probably what you saw in the footage of that. It wasn't my dad scaring him, it was the bird. The cafe was in a place called Flower Power, where they sell like, you know, gardening and herbs and spices and flowers and different things like that. So I've been meaning to do a little vegetable slash herb garden on the balcony of our apartment building. My parents love to garden, so they said that they'd help me out and come over here after the cafe and help me plant all the things. So we all planted all the plants that we had. I got a little bit of footage of that. We didn't quite have enough pots or potting mix, so some of them are still in their little containers that they come in until I go get some more potting mix and some more pots. But I'm really excited. We got quite a few things that we use in the kitchen, so I'm very excited to harvest those and use them in our cooking. So now I'm just going to show you what we planted and what types of plants we got. So here we have a tomato plant and also a parsley plant that we haven't planted yet. Here we have lettuce, 2 different types of lettuce. We always use lettuce. Here we have spinach. Love spinach. Here we have kale and hot red chili. I'm going to split those up eventually. We got garlic, which we haven't planted yet. And we got some rosemary. So it should be good when they're all growing up and we can use them all. And it'll look really pretty out here. We get very good sun. Guys, we cheated. Well, I haven't cheated yet.
Yum.
3.5 weeks. We haven't tasted any like salt or sugar or anything. So after 24 days, Jordan and I decided that we were going to give in to a craving that we've been having since day one. We've been craving hot chips the entire time. We told ourselves that when we met a certain goal, we could have a cheat meal. When we reached that goal, it was kind of motivation to not have a cheat meal. Like, we were so happy with ourselves that we wanted to keep going. But then last night we were like, stuff it, let's just go get some hot chips. We deserve it. I'm not going to tell you what that goal was because I want to wait until we do our 1 month update video for our weight loss challenge. We had our little cheat, now we're going to keep going. I would say that I'm halfway to my goal, so if that gives you any indication, I don't know. So the rest of the night we didn't do very much. We just watched a new show called, I think it's Atypical. I definitely recommend that show. It's about a boy who has autism and his school life and, you know, his dating life and everything like that. It's very interesting to watch, so I definitely recommend that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Be sure to like the video, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe. Click that red button and join our family on our YouTube journey. Thank you, bye! Hi!